so I figured this video may need a disclaimer. I'd like to point out that the damage that the laptop has, which I shall get onto later in the video after this disclaimer, I did not purposefully do that to my own laptop that I bought with my own money, because I just don't understand how that kind of decision is logical. Why would you purposefully damage a product just to go through the hassle of getting it repaired? My intention behind this video is just simply sharing my user experiences with whoever watches this video based on me owning and using a Clevo laptop over the past year. That's what it is. I'm not trying to make a statement to Clevo. I'm not trying to attack Clevo or say they're a bad business or anything like that. I'm just simply sharing my experiences using one of their products, and it just so happens that I'd say that I was fairly unlucky to receive a laptop that has gone through as much hassle as it's gone to. I know that there are probably loads of people out there that have probably had a Clevo laptop for 5, maybe 10 years. I don't know, Clevo's been around for a long time. You might have had that laptop for 10 years and it might still work fine. And that's fine. I'm pleased your laptop has lasted that long, but unfortunately for me, my experiences regarding this laptop have been less than impressive. Looking back at my decision, I kind of wish I bought a laptop that was more structurally sound than the laptop that I received. But yeah, I don't really know what more to say except that I did not purposefully damage my laptop, and that my intentions in creating this video are just simply to share my experiences using a Clevo based laptop. It's not an attack on Clevo, it's not a statement or anything like that. It's just simply user experiences and me sharing that with whoever may watch this video. So yeah, let's get on to the video. There has once again been another problem when it comes to recording the video that I was supposed to release this week. This week I was supposed to release my 1-year update regarding my 3XS system on my Clevo laptop. I should probably call it Clevo laptop because the Clevo is actually the manufacturer of the laptop. They are the ones who are at fault for this problem, whereas 3XS/Scan, they are just the vendor. They buy from the manufacturer, put their brand on it and then sell it to customers. So regarding this problem, they are not really at fault because it's not a problem with what they've done, it's a problem with the plastic this chassis is manufactured out of which I haven't actually stated yet. But anyway, the chassis is manufactured out of really poor quality brittle plastic, and to put it simply, it has broken. The screws no longer hold the chassis together, so I've had to pack it up and send it back to Scan, where they will review the laptop and see how much it will cost to get a new chassis for the laptop, of which I'm hesitant about whether I'll even buy it or not, because it will be the same type of chassis, the same plastic, so it will just inevitably break again. And as a little bit of extra information, I should probably go and say that this is actually the second time the chassis has broken. It's just the first time I never announce it on a video, but now I am announcing it because due to the poor quality of plastic, it has actually affected the video that I was supposed to release today. Haha! Flies are not getting away from me. Right, what was I doing at laptop? Oh yeah. But due to that problem, I don't currently have a laptop. I've sent it back to Scan, where they're going to review it and get back to me and things like that. And it does also mean that today's video is incomplete because it was about that laptop and I don't have the laptop to finish the video on. But when I do get the laptop back, depending on what I choose, whether I choose to have a replacement chassis, which may just break again, or whether I just say forget it, just give it me back as it is, I'm beyond caring, because to be honest, that laptop sort of caused more problems than what it's worth looking back. So I did immediately just be like, look, I'm fed up of this. This is it's happened multiple times, can I have a refund? And to be honest, I know that by law they can't give a refund, but I thought I'd ask anyway. And they did get back to me saying they can't give me a refund due to it going against the terms of service, which is understandable. I already knew that, but I thought I'd ask them just to make sure. Basically, today's video isn't finished, so this will be today's video. I will also say that I do have another video. This is regarding a microphone stand that I have got, but that video is incomplete as that video was supposed to be next week's video. I don't want to rush in creating the video, because if I rush and try and get the video out today, it's likely that I will, well, the first thing is rush, and then I could make mistakes and it may just completely ruin the final end product of the video. So I'm not going to rush that video to try and get it out for today because I want to make sure that that video is the best quality that it can be when it is released. So today's video, the laptop video, is incomplete because I've sent it back to the vendors of the laptop, not the manufacturers. I wish I could send it back to Clevo, but because I bought it through the vendor, I need to send it back to them and then they need to deal with Clevo. But having said that, I am in a process of writing an email directly to Clevo themselves to see if I can try and resolve the issue directly from the manufacturer rather than needing to go through the vendor to get it sorted. But aside from that, today's video doesn't exist aside from this one. But yes, hopefully next week I should have the micro stand video out. I have no idea when I'll get the laptop back, probably in a few months, so that video is going to be put on pause until I get the laptop back. But I have ordered some tiny little heat sinks that I can put on my VRMs on my motherboard and on a family member's laptop because I've noticed their temperatures getting quite hot. So yeah, I do have videos that I can work on, but as of today, today's video is not complete, and I'm not going to rush to get a video out today aside from this one because I don't want to ruin the final product of the video that I may be rushing, which in this case would be the microphone stand. But anyway, I hope you can understand the events that have happened and why today's video doesn't exist. But hopefully next week everything should be back on track. So with that, I don't really have anything else to say. So if you liked the video, give it a like. If you didn't, dislike it, and also consider subscribing. And as always, thank you for watching.